In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy-paste rows in Smartsheet. Whether you're duplicating a task, reusing a template row, or moving consistent details to another part of your project, this simple copy and paste workflow will save you time and help keep your sheet organized. We'll start right on your project sheet. Take a moment to locate the exact row you want to replicate. Think of a row as the full set of details for a single task: the name, owner, dates, status, and any other columns you've set up. When you copy a row, you're grabbing all those values together so you can place them somewhere else with just a couple of clicks. Hover your cursor over the far left side of that row, typically near the row number, so you're clearly targeting the entire row. Now, right-click to open the context menu. From that menu, choose Copy. You've just placed the row's contents onto your clipboard. It's a good idea to pause for a second and mentally confirm you grabbed the correct row, especially if your sheet is long or you're working with filtered views. Next, move to where you want the copied information to appear. Click into the destination area. This can be the first cell of the row where you want the data to land, or you can right-click on the row number if you're pasting across the whole row. Then right-click and select Paste. Smartsheet will place the copied values into the location you selected, preserving the original data and most formatting. If you're pasting into a row that already has content, be mindful that paste will replace those cells. After pasting, do a quick scan to verify everything looks right. Check that dates, drop-down selections, and text fields came over as expected. If something didn't land where you wanted or you pasted in the wrong spot, simply undo right away and try again. Keeping an eye on where your active selection sits before you paste helps prevent accidental overwrites. If you don't see the paste option where you expect it, make sure you're clicking in an editable part of the sheet and that you have the necessary permissions. Also confirm you've actually copied the row beforehand. A fresh right-click and copy, followed by right-click and paste, usually resolves it. That's all there is to it. Hover over the row you want, right-click and copy, then go to the target area, right-click, and paste. With this quick technique, you can duplicate work consistently, maintain formatting, and keep your project sheet tidy and efficient,